Okay, so there's that charger in action at my truck before we take off tomorrow.
Charge on, man.
He's charging his phone. I'm charging my session. I just use that in the hot tub, hot spring, and then I'll charge my GoPro batteries, and then I'll charge my Canon battery and our phones and our headlights. We'll have full charge of everything. There is the charger with no headlights or anything. The only light that it's putting out is here. Tells you the amount of watts it's putting out, tells you the amount of time. Shows your charge here. If you want to save even more power, you can shut this off. Let's see. Pretty nice. Okay, my session got filled pretty quick. And now I'm charging my phone. It's 47%. Charging 2 phones off of it. The session already got filled. And she's going to charge her phone also. So you charged your phone, anything else?
Just the phone.
What did you charge your phone?
My phone.
I charged my phone, flashlight, headlight, what else? Seems like something else.
I've been charging my phone for 2 days with that thing. So
Yeah, she's charged her phone multiple times on it. He's charged his phone once, I've charged my phone once. This one and the headlight and something else.
Not the GoPro batteries or the...
Oh yeah, the GoPro,
Yeah.
the session.
The session, yeah.
Session. So, we're gonna pack up and take off, and when we get back, her and I will charge everything off this. We'll see how much it holds, and then I'll show you putting the power back in from this truck on the way home. It's pretty neat.